Canna Tortoise Capital, the sniper trade of the day for June 22nd, 2026. This is the double leveraged Google GGLL single stock fund, single stock ETF. The box at 1 shows the high and the low from Friday. So that's one of the frames. And at 2, you see the last 3 10-minute bars of the day on Friday at 2. At 3, you have the gap down opening. We outline the first 10-minute move in the green box. It breaks down below that at 4, so we get short with a standard risk at 5, which is just above the VWAP, the volume-weighted average price. With 2R in hand, we take a second position at 6. At 7, we add a position because why not? At 8, we add a fourth position with markets money because why not? It failed to break higher and rolled over immediately, and it broke down below the low of the previous bar, so why not? So we've got 4 positions in, deep in the money. It sells off. At 9, the RL10 reverses. At 10, we take a 1, 2, 3 exit at the skin of the dragon. And because we have some markets money, we stop and reverse a single position. Our target is going to be initially a return to the VWAP and then a return to the SMA 30. That's the reversion to the main trade. So you can think of that as a SSC's supported spring crossing stop and reverse. We don't actually get the spring until 2 bars later, but you can see the point. We put the stop just below the maximum excursion of the RL10. It starts grinding, comes back close to the VWAP, and now the SMA 30 joins, and it's going nowhere, so we just kind of take that for about an R. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. It grinds out the rest of the day. It closes at 12, which is right where the VWAP is, so it feels like it's properly priced, and there was no overnight interest in it, so this turned out to be a pretty lucrative trade in the usual way with GGLL. This is Canna Tortoise Capital. Keep your risk measured and your powder dry.